In this video, we'll be discussing Article 110.22c, Tested Series Combination Systems. This section of the NEC deals with electrical systems that use circuit breakers or fuses which have been tested together as part of a series combination system. This means that the manufacturer has tested certain breakers and fuses to work together safely under specific conditions. When these systems are used in the field, they must be clearly marked so that anyone working with the equipment understands that it is a tested combination. The first thing that is discussed in this rule is marking the equipment. If you have a circuit breaker or fuse that is part of a tested series combination system, it needs to be clearly marked to indicate that it has been tested by the manufacturer as part of the combination. That the system has been tested to ensure that the combination of parts, the circuit breaker and fuse, will safely protect the electrical system and prevent problems like overheating or short circuits. The second thing this rule discusses is what the label must say. The label must be legible and easily to see for anyone who is working on or inspecting the equipment. The label should say, "Caution, Series Combination System." This alerts people that the system is specially tested and engineered. The rated amount of amperes. This part of the label tells you the amp rating of the system, which shows how much electrical current the system is designed to handle. And the third thing is identified replacement components required. This indicates if a part of the system needs to be replaced, such as a breaker or fuse. You must use the correct replacement parts that the manufacturer tested and approved. This ensures the system continues to work safely and effectively. The third thing this rule discusses is the durability of the label. The label must be durable enough to withstand the environment it is in. For example, if the equipment is exposed to heat, moisture, or other harsh conditions, the label must remain intact and readable. This rule was created to ensure safety and proper maintenance of electrical systems using tested series combination systems. Here's why it's so important. 1. Ensuring correct parts are used. Tested systems are designed and tested to work with specific components, such as circuit breakers and fuses. If you replace a part with the wrong one, it could compromise safety and cause issues like overheating or failure to protect the system correctly. The label ensures that only the right parts are used for replacements. 2 is preventing mistakes. If the system is marked with a warning label, it makes it clear that the equipment has been tested as a set and needs to be maintained properly. This helps prevent mistakes when replacing components or doing maintenance on the system. 3 is safety and compliance. The label makes sure that the equipment meets safety standards and is maintained in a way that keeps the system working correctly. This is especially important in environments where there are high voltages or large systems that could cause serious damage if something goes wrong. Now let's walk through an example to help us better understand this rule. Let's say you're an electrician working in a large industrial facility. The facility has a special series combination system for its circuit protection. This means that the circuit breakers and fuses have been selected and tested to work together to keep everything safe. You open an electrical panel and find a circuit breaker that's part of the tested series combination system. You see a warning label on the breaker that says, "Caution, series combination system, rated 200 amperes. Identified replacement components required." This label tells you three important things. The system has been tested as a series combination. It is rated for 200 amperes of electrical current. If any of the parts in the system need to be replaced, you must use the exact replacement components that are tested and approved for this system. Without the label, you might not know that the system requires specific replacement parts, and using the wrong part could result in the system failing to protect the equipment, leading to overloads, equipment damage, or even fires. In short, tested series combination systems are specifically selected and tested by manufacturers to ensure that the circuit breakers and fuses work together to protect the electrical system. These systems must be clearly labeled with "Caution, Series Combination System," the amp rating, and the note that only the correct replacement components should be used. And lastly, the label should be durable and easily visible to make sure that the system is safely maintained and operated. By ensuring proper labeling, the rule helps maintain the safety and effectiveness of the electrical system and prevents accidents that could arise from using the wrong replacement parts.